Now let's see the next one. The indexed address mode. So this mode is generally applicable or used whenever a CPU is having lot of registers. So when you have a lot of registers, generally what happens is each register will be designated to perform certain action. So for example, we are going to designate one register as the index register. Okay, so let us say we have lot of registers and then we are going to designate one register as index register, then we can apply this mode. So what is the advantage of this mode is it is useful whenever we are trying to access the array elements, any element in an array. So when you have an array, right, let's say the each word in this each element in this array is occupying one word, which means the first element is at 300 and the second element is at 301, third element is at 302, fourth element is at 303, 304, something like this. Okay, then how to access them? One way to access them is directly using the address. Other way to access them is provide the base address of the array in the instruction and then store the index in the index register. For example, if you want to access 303, the element at 303, then store the index 3 in the index register and then provide the base of this in the instruction. For example, like this, add 300. Okay, so what does this one mean is, in case if this instruction is provided as indexed addressing indexed addressing, then we are supposed to find out the effective address as effective address is nothing but the base which is provided in the instruction, which is 300 plus the index. In case of some scaling, we can go with this scaling. So what do I mean by scaling is, sometimes the index is going to be multiplied with the size of the element. In case if each element here is of size 2 words, then instead of 303 here we are supposed to get 306. Then this index is going to be multiplied with the size of the this element. That is called as pointer arithmetic, which we have seen in C programming, right? So let's keep it simple. So here try to understand this one. We are going to have a special register called as index register, and the instruction is going to provide us with the base of the array. So whenever you want to access any element of the array, the same instruction is going to be used. That is the beauty. We are always going to access any element in the array with the same instruction. This number is not going to be changed. Only thing that is going to change is the index. As long as you keep on changing the index, you can use the same base address in the instruction and access any element in the instruction. Got it? So you can access 302, 303, anything, as long as you change it. So the main advantage of using this index in this one is in accessing the arrays. So array implementing is very simple here. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So, first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%. But all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.